Programming a key fob for a 2005-2007 Mercury Mariner is a straightforward DIY task thanks to Ford's passive anti-theft system, PATS. This system allows you to reprogram your key fob without needing specialized tools, saving you money compared to a dealership visit. You'll be reprogramming the vehicle's computer to recognize the fob's unique transponder and radio frequency signal. This process allows for keyless entry, remote start if equipped, and panic functions. The system uses rolling code technology for security, generating a new code with each button press to prevent theft. The popularity of online guides and affordable aftermarket fobs have made this a common task for Mariner owners. Ensure that the fob you purchase is compatible with your Mariner before attempting to program it. To program your key fob, you'll need your ignition key and the new or reprogrammed fob. First, enter programming mode by rapidly turning the ignition from off to on 5 times within a short period. The car should then indicate it's in programming mode. Check your owner's manual for the exact signal. Next, press any button on the key fob to be programmed. The vehicle should respond, indicating that the fob has been recognized. Repeat this process for any additional fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 4. Remember, this method works specifically for the 2005-2007 Mercury Mariner and relies on the Ford PATS system. If you encounter issues, double-check the battery in your fob and ensure you are within close range of the vehicle during programming. If problems persist, consult online resources or a local mechanic.